Hey guys, Mukhtar here, and today we are going to win a game of Lost Strike using only pistol. So it's simple, no guns are allowed except from pistols. I can use character skill, grenade, and other stuff to help myself, but no guns is allowed. And before you continue watching this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, because I went through a bit of hell doing this challenge for you guys. So please, the only way you can support me is just like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so for this challenge we are going to be using Nova. Normally I use Emma for my character skill, but for this challenge we are going to use Nova because of our Nova gas and the toxic gas. It's going to be very effective against other players. So let's just see how it goes. The game plan, we're landing edge of map, like literally edge of what the fuck is this?
The safe zone has been redefined.
Yeah, we're landing edge of map because everybody's literally using different guns, so I don't even know. Let's just go. I hope I win this in game one because I know this is going to take a lot of time, but anything for my viewers, you get what I'm saying. So I'm going to buy this. Let's go.
Reloading.
Let's go. And let me buy some shields. I'll keep looting. I need to buy for long range. I have. Let me show you what I have for my long range. I have the Deagle. Load out for my Deagle for long range. So where is it? Yeah, this is also it. So I think that will be for long range. I think I need smoke grenade. There's this strat you can do here. You drop smoke grenade, you drop your toxic grenade. Your opponent won't even know where to go to. I guess. Let's go. Load out.
Taking fire.
Hey God, what the fuck? Follow me, I beg. Just follow me. Nigga, just follow me. I hope he follows me, sir. This should be like a perfect place to kill him. Yeah. No. Let's go. Come. Let's go.
Gas them. Oh. One down.
Let's go. I think that was a bot though. Anyhow, my first kill. So I think I can buy the Deagle now. I can collect it now. Load out. Oh my God, I don't even know where I put it. I think it's 3. Yeah, 3. Let's go.
The safe zone has been redefined.
I need this. Let's go. Okay, bro is here. Okay, I think this is bot.
Oh God. Wiped out.
Pathetic. Where is everybody now? I want to. Hey!
The safe zone has been redefined.
Oh my God! Wow, that was. There was a guy up here before. Okay, someone is here. Should I push? Just for content. Let's go.
Gas them.
Come. Where the fuck are you? No, now come in the mass.
We're under attack.
Let's go.
Reloading.
Bro, you're so bad. I'm not going to lie, nigga.
Gas them. Reloading.
That guy. Where did he go? Bro, come back here, bitch. I said, bro, that's a very big bitch move. Somebody. My God, I'm dead. I'm dead.
The safe zone is shifting.
Bullseye.
I'm dead. Why did I come out?
It's unacceptable.
I mean, you're not supposed to win that. He's literally using double Z. Nobody tries to push me. There's a guy on that
The
roof.
safe zone has been redefined.
Dead, I'm dead.
We're under attack.
That was not bad for game one. Alright. What's in this place? Me. Like, oh my god, I'm dead.
Gas them.
Oh my god. She can drop on gas too. She can drop on gas too. She can drop on
fire.
gas too. Hey, voila.
Bullseye.
Okay. I cracked that.
The safe zone is shifting.
Bitch, nigga, I am fucking him. Like, I am him. Nigga had penalty, and you are, bro. I am
Reloading.
I don't hear shit, bro.
Loadout air.
Bullseye. Reloading.
The safe zone is shifting.
Bro,
We're under attack.
bro, sit down, man.
Reloading.
Bro was overconfident. Am I playing any? This one. Let's go! No. I think that's the SMG. I'm dead.
Fire!
I think it's that. Oh!
Reloading.
Oh, that was that guy that I killed before. Just come. I want him to come, like, come.
Gas them. I'm down.
Oh!
It's unacceptable.
The safe zone is shifting.
He should die now. Let's go! He died. Sir? What? Okay. This is game 3. Like the dual. No, there's no way somebody's landing on me. There's no way. No. Like this. I think they both. Okay.
Wiped out. Pathetic.
The safe zone has been redefined.
We're under attack.
I'm dead.
Down.
Get you. No now. It's coming. Bro. Next time I'll drop a smoke grenade. So now we're back to square one. There's no way, bro. Come back here.
We're under attack. Gas them.
I swear that was very stupid. I swear to God, I could have killed him. I fucked up. I was not going to lie. I should have killed him. Is this it? Run! No! I swear I'm dead. No!
We're
Right
under
in front
attack.
of. No, right in front. Fuck. So in game 4, nothing really happened like that because I actually camped. I waited till the end game. So let's just skip the whole part. I'm just going to show you what happened in the end game. Okay. Hey, Mukhtar,
Reloading.
what are you doing? Okay. Cracked. Like I said, I don't want to kill them. Like just tagging them. That's all.
The safe zone is shifting.
I'm not comfortable because
Loadout
of
airdrop incoming.
the guy that is here.
We're under attack.
Oh no, you see? I swear this is stupid. This is very stupid, I'm not going to lie. Bro, calm the fuck down. Camping.
The safe zone is shifting.
Of course he's there. I mean, he's not up, he's not up, he's down. He's like at the back of the store. So I can stay. I just hope I'm like the only sniper.
Taking fire.
I look bad.
Reloading.
I look bad.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Gas them. Oh,
Nice one. Yes. Yes, that's what I want. Yeah. Beach.
using bandage. Using bandage. Reloading.
So if those two can fight. Go, 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 go.
We're under attack.
No now. Bro. Chill.
The safe zone has been redefined.
Gas them. Oh,
Die! Let's go! Let's go! Let's fucking go, bro! Bro! We did it! Fuck all of them! We did it! Ah! Oh my god! I swear to God, I had no idea I was the last person. Thank you. See you guys. You also like and follow and subscribe and share. I said, bro, this is GG's, man. GG's. Thanks for watching.